Presenting ASUS ZenBook Duo laptop, which comes with Windows 10 operating system and weighs 1.6 kilograms. The 1.8 GHz Intel Core i7-10510U 10th generation processor with 8 MB of cache gives you a lag-free experience. The 16 GB of LPDDR3 2133 MHz onboard RAM with 2 GB of NVIDIA GeForce MX250 graphics card gives you a lag-free experience. The 1 TB of SSD lets you store all your pictures, music and videos worry-free. This ASUS laptop runs on 170 Wh lithium-ion battery. This laptop has 14-inch Full HD display with 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution, anti-glare, IPS level wide view technology, 100% sRGB, Pantone validated, 90% screen-to-body ratio and 300 nits brightness for your viewing experience. The ASUS laptop features built-in speaker, built-in array microphone and audio by iSpower Harman Kardon. The ASUS laptop allows hands-free login with Face Unlock. The ASUS ScreenPad Plus secondary touchscreen works seamlessly with the main 14-inch FHD display. This ASUS laptop has 3 USB 3.0 ports, 1 HDMI port, 1 audio out port for easy connectivity. Inside the box, you will find laptop, AC adapter, user guide and manuals. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.